Hey team, welcome back to this week's Toolbox Talk. Before the saw starts spinning or the drill hits concrete, take a moment to pause. That short break can prevent a big problem. This week we're diving into layouts and locates, making sure we know what's below the surface before we cut or core. It's the difference between a clean cut and a catastrophe. Every day our crews drill and saw through slabs, walls, and floors, work that might seem routine, but it's anything but simple. Beneath the concrete lies a hidden network of utilities, power lines, plumbing, communication lines. Cutting without knowing what's below isn't just careless, it's dangerous. Damage, downtime, and injuries can all follow from a single missed locate. We've all heard the stories. A core drill hits a high voltage line, a saw slices a water main, a post-tension cable gets severed with explosive force. These aren't freak accidents, they are the predictable results of skipping a critical step. The most important work happens before the heavy equipment is even turned on: planning and investigation. Your first tool isn't a scanner or a saw, it's a piece of paper. You start with the plans. Blueprints are supposed to be the definitive map: pipes, conduits, other systems. But reality doesn't always match the drawing. Things change, plans get updated, or they don't. Don't just glance at drawings and call it a day. Treat them as your starting point, not your final answer. Communication is your most powerful tool. Walk the site with the blueprints. Talk to the general manager, the foreman, the other trades. Ask electricians about live lines. Check with plumbers about water or gas. Their memory can beat an outdated drawing. Every conversation helps see the bigger picture. Then bring in the technology. Ground-penetrating radar, GPR, is a game-changer. It's your eyes beneath the concrete. GPR sends radio waves into the slab and reads the echoes. A trained operator can identify rebar, post-tension cables, conduits, and voids. It's powerful, not magic. Combine GPR, EM locators, and the blueprints. No single tool is foolproof. Use every resource. Now that you've done your detective work, it's time to make the invisible visible. Transfer that information onto the concrete. Marking the layout is a critical communication step. Be clear and precise. Use a system everyone understands. No faint scribbled lines. Use bright paint and durable tape. Make your lines bold. Make do not cut zones impossible to miss. Precision is everything. Measure twice, cut once. Even an inch or two can make the biggest difference. Don't measure from only one reference point. Take a second measurement and confirm. Don't just draw lines. Add notes, label conduits, note depths, and include the date. Clear notes remove ambiguity and support the entire project timeline. If marks fade, remark. If scope changes, update. A layout is a living document. Once your layout is clearly marked, the next step is to secure the work area. Cutting and core drilling create hazards: flying debris, loud noise, dust, water, and slurry. Establish a safe work zone. Clear tools and materials. Remove tripping hazards. A clean workspace is a safe workspace. Control access with cones, caution tape, and barriers. It's not unfriendly, it keeps people safe. Think about utilities. Before cutting near known electrical lines, de-energize and lock out. Don't assume a line is dead. Verify it. For water and gas, no shutoffs. If there's any doubt about an active gas line, stop. Never assume what's inside a pipe or conduit. Verify and, when possible, isolate the hazard before you cut. Consider structural elements. Rebar cuts may be unavoidable, but understand impacts. Cutting a post-tension cable is a line you never cross. All the best tools and procedures are useless if your team doesn't know how to use them. Training isn't a one-time event, it's an ongoing commitment, for everyone from the newest apprentice to the most seasoned operator. Read the marks on the floor. Understand color codes. Never, ever, cross a do not cut line. Short hands-on toolbox talks are effective. Bring learning to life. Show them the GPR, practice marking, make legible notes. See and touch the tools. Hands-on builds muscle memory and confidence. Keep good records. Records create clear communication and accountability. If something unforeseen is struck, they show procedures were followed. Good records aren't about covering your backside. They're about sharpening your skills for the future. We've done the research, used the technology, marked the floor, secured the zone, and trained the team. Layouts and locates are the essence of professional craftsmanship, protecting people, property, and the integrity of the work. Check the plans, use the right tools. Mark clearly, secure the area, perform a final check. It is the work. It's how you prevent damage before it happens and ensure every cut is a safe cut. So take that extra moment. Stop. Look. Locate. It's the smartest, safest, and most professional way to do the job. Stay sharp, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next Toolbox Talk.